So today is 9th of April 2025 and I'm recording this video. No, technically it's not 9th of April 2025. I mean technically it is. I leave it. So it is 12 I mean I am recording this video after 12 a.m. or whatever. So technically the date is 9th of April, but as humans we are considering this as 8th of April 2025. So from last 2 days on 7th and 8th of April I didn't like uploaded anything on my channel, and no, like I'm uploading on 8th, technically 9th and 9th of April, but I did not even wrote something on my diary about these 2 days. So I'm gonna do this now, not writing but recording. So the first thing that I will talk about was how I spent yesterday, and then I would talk about today, then how my academic performances are going on, then spirituality, like how much I am feeling connected to it, and then I would maybe around yesterday afternoon, then I will share a caption with you in community post, and I like the caption, therefore I would share it with you, or maybe I would just read it here at the end of the video, around the end of the video. And then I would talk about a person that commented on my one of my videos, and like it made my day. Honestly, it made my day. So the thing is, firstly, how was my yesterday? So around, so I went to school. I went to my school. Then I came back to my home. Then I came to know that. So I came back from school. Then I did the other things as soon as possible because I had no time left, because I had to visit my center. I only knew that I have my orientation classes today. I mean on 7th of April. But when I visited there, then I came to know that I would have orientation classes and the classes of the batch on the same day, and it blew my mind because I took nothing with me. Not even a single. I took a single pen with me, not even a copy to write something on. Then I took a copy from one of my batchmate, whom I did not knew. I knew now I know him, but just and this contact made a and we know each other now because I asked for a copy from him. So I don't know what to say about it. Then, like, there was not much as orientation in the classes, but they teached, like their classes went on. And honestly, even now talking about today too, around, so I didn't went to school today because I had to go to hospital with my little sister because she has some sort of problems with her. So I had to went to hospital with her. And now what I was saying. Mm. Then I am concluding yesterday's and today's experience at PW together. So the faculties are good. Like at PW, I have enrolled at PW Saket with the Pete, and their faculties are good. Batchmates are good, but I think they should be more disciplined. Like the institute does not feel like it feels freedom there. And I like in Kota Factory how we saw L like they portrayed Maheshwari classes as Ellen as Maheshwari classes, whatever. So they portrayed Ellen as Maheshwari classes, and in that we can and in that we can clearly see that there was strictness there, but I cannot feel the strictness here. And the batchmates, few are few wants to study, but some of them are like does not give a single fuck on what to study and how. does not care about studying. Oh, leave it. So what I was saying. Then I would talk about spirituality. Since last 2 days, I have not done my puja because I had not the time. My class timing of my classes are 4 to 8 p.m. and unfortunately this time clashes with the time of puja, so I cannot do this. But I think I would have classes 4 days a week, and then I would do 3 times a week, and I would read Bhagavad Gita, then Gayatri Purana, a book, and as usual Hanuman Chalisa and everything like Shiv Rudrashtakam or whatever, like anything left. If then it depends on my mood. It should not depend on my mood, but it depends. I would change it. I will try to change this. And okay, another thing about my academic performances, like I have seen that I came after my school and coaching. I came home around 9 p.m. and then I have no time left for self study. Like literally nothing. I even today I thought that I would study, and at that time it was already 11:15, so I didn't had much time left to study. I have to fix this. Still, I have not completed the hydrocarbons part. Not even a single hour lecture of hydrocarbons, class 11th. And at the end of the day, I just did like I would like whatever I said, that write few pages and then feel good. Just gave me feel good. It spoils. Another thing, yeah, I think everything is covered. If something is not, it would be mentioned as my diary. Like something is not, but I'm not going to say this here because my channel is still private. And the reason I told yesterday that if I keep this private, if I keep my channel private, then I won't. Then I know I would be inconsistent. Like and keeping my channel. So now I can correlate these two things about the last point and these things. This. So as I said that I know that if I would be inconsistent if I keep my channel private. But you will say that no one watches my video even when it is public. Honestly, I really want that no one watches my video like these videos, because these are raw. These shows one of the worst and raw sides of me that I do not want to see anyone. That I do not want anyone to see. And what I was saying. So yesterday I saw a comment. Yesterday or maybe yesterday I think. Shayad yesterday or one day before yesterday, I saw a comment of a person, he or she, whatever, uh, taking as she, maybe he, I don't know. So, yeah, what? I just cannot think of what to say here, whether to say he or she. Let's take she. So, the DP was of a girl. I know it was fake, but let's take her as she. So, what I was saying, I again forward. So, she commented that yeah, you can use YouTube as your diary and other stuff. Then I replied with sure, for sure I will do this. Then she asked for how am I trying to improve my communication skills and English speaking, and how am I trying to improve my communication skills and English speaking. Then I tried for her, like then I told her like how I am trying and why should she try about this. Then the last thing about this is about the person. I do not know, and I have no idea on who is she or whatever, or who is he, whatever. But I can say that kudos to you, man. Like you did, it really means a lot to me that you commented. And I wasn't. Maybe like most probably I won't be uploading this today, because I'm tired. Like yesterday I was tired and I'm tired even today. But I'm uploading this because it gave me a motivation that even a single person is watching. I'm still saying, even if I get a single comment in each day, then I would be consistent on this. I could be consistent. It would help me be consistent, and this thing that you did was really admirable. Is really admirable because supporting someone to grow is like one of the best things and the finest things you can do in life. I hope even I will try to do this. If you want, if you even and I want that even a single view and comment of yours felt like thousands. Therefore, it made my day and it really means a lot. Thank you so much. And whatever. Then, if like I want just an advice that I do not know if you are watching this or not. Like till now, maybe not. If you are, let's see what happens next. Like we can grow together. I mean, don't take me wrong. I am trying to say that like you should start a channel too, or like I am not saying to make it public. If you want a channel to keep private, keep it. If you are shy about sharing your personal life, keep it private. I am shy. Like if you meet me personally, I would be like blank. Therefore, I am making videos just to improve my confidence and communication skills, because I think these two are the things that would lead me to a better life of power, full power, respect, and ultimate leadership that I want to achieve in life. Hard say. For God's sake, let's just be hardworking. Baki, meet you tomorrow. Yeah, that was it. Thanks again. Whatever your username was, it was from R something. Thanks again. Goodbye. Bye bye.